Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of Eating on a Budget. Today's video is a budget meal. If you're new to the channel, or if you've forgotten since it's been so long since I've done a video, the budget meals I make are for sustenance for people who are truly struggling to afford and appreciate their next meal. So if I make a meal that will sufficiently nourish 4 people with smaller portions, please don't brag about your gluttony telling me you can eat the whole meal by yourself. If you can, great. Consider yourself lucky, and count your blessings because everyone is not as lucky as you. So with all of that said, I'm making a hearty country breakfast frittata, which is an Italian term for a baked omelet. Or for laymen like myself, I call it a hearty skillet country breakfast casserole. The best thing about this casserole, besides it being delicious, is it'll make 8 servings for $7.45 or 93 cents a serving. So to get started, we need to preheat a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, and then add 1 pound of breakfast sausage, or the sausage of your choice. If you have leftover meat from dinner the night before, you could save $1 and change and use it instead of the sausage. We've done this with pulled pork, roast chicken, roast beef, baked pork chops, leftover hamburgers, hot dogs, etc. The sky's the limit. Use what you have, especially if you're on a tight budget. Continue cooking the sausage until it's about 50% cooked. Then add diced yellow onion, and diced bell pepper, and continue to cook until the vegetables are cooked to your desired doneness. Once the sausage is fully cooked and the vegetables are to your liking, remove them from the skillet and drain on paper towels. Next, add enough oil to cover the bottom of the skillet and leave the heat on medium-high. Add 3 washed, peeled, and diced potatoes and spread out into an even layer. Once the potatoes are spread out into an even layer, go find something to do for 5 minutes because you don't want to touch these for 5 minutes or your potatoes are going to stick and you'll have a gloppy mess of potatoes instead of crispy fried potatoes. After leaving the potatoes for 5 minutes, give them a flip and continue this process until the potatoes are cooked through. Once the potatoes are cooked through, add your seasoning. Now the seasoning I'm adding looks like a lot, but it's for the whole casserole, not just the potatoes. I added kosher salt, chili powder, granulated garlic, and black pepper. You can use any seasonings or seasoning blends you like. Again, use what you have on hand. Then give it all a good mix. And then once everything's well combined, add the sausage, peppers, and onions back in. Then give it all a good mix and turn the heat off. Next, we add 1 dozen large beaten eggs and give it 1 more good mix. Top the mixture off with 4 ounces of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese, or again, the cheese of your choice. Or if you don't want cheese, just leave it out and save even more money. A quick note for people on a budget, it's cheaper and better to buy block cheese and shred it yourself. Shredded cheese contains wood pulp, also known as cellulose powder, to keep the cheese from clumping together. So if you're like me and you want to save money, buy and eat only cheese and shred it yourself. Now the skillet goes into a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the eggs set. Once the eggs are set, we're ready to cut our big hearty breakfast casserole into 8 equal-sized pieces. Once you have the servings cut up, add your favorite hot sauce, ketchup, or other condiment. I'm using Texas Pete because it's my favorite hot sauce. And there you have it, a hearty country breakfast frittata or a hearty skillet country breakfast casserole. No matter what you want to call it, it's an easy, hearty, and delicious breakfast for 8 people for under $1 a person. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. And I'll see you soon.